Hello friends. So today we are starting meaning and scope of anthropology. We are starting the series of anthropological sessions. Let's see meaning and scope of anthropology. Meaning by word anthropos means human being and logos means study. It means anthropology is the study of human beings. अब इसमें याद रखना है कि स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स मतलब ओरिजिन डेवलपमेंट द नेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन स्पेसीज हिस्ट्री etc. Anthropology studies origin, evolution and variations of human being in both time and space. टाइम का मतलब क्या होता है कि हिस्टोरिकली पास्ट में कौन से इवेंट्स हुए हैं, अभी प्रेजेंट में क्या चल रहा है, वो सब. और स्पेस का मतलब है कि एवरीवेयर. ओके. It also studies universals, means some certain things about anthropos means humans and differences in human population, to study how the human being evolved, how they have changed, how they have originated, how they develop culture, etc. Then after that we will see the definitions of anthropology. What are the definitions of anthropology given by different scholars? First is Aristotle. Aristotle is also known as father of anthropology. He defines anthropology as the gossip that revolves around the man, and the anthropologist as the gossiper who talks about himself. Second is Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant identified for the first time the animal origin of the human being. He says anthropology studies human origin, biological evolution, and human cultural and social development. After that, Edward Burnett Taylor, E.B. Taylor. E.B. Taylor says anthropology is the study of old remains of people and of primitive people. It means he restricts the study of anthropology in past only. Okay. After that, Malinowski, Radcliffe Brown, and Franz Boas. They said study of man at all levels of development. Anthropology is the study of man at all levels of development. Then Herskovits. Herskovits says study of man and his actions. And then Clyde Cluckhorn says wrote a book, The Mirror of Man. This book is related to anthropology. Okay. अब इससे हमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है? First of all, the anthropology is the study of human beings, study of humanity, study of culture, study of origin, development, nature of the human being. Okay. It means it covers all the dimensions of the human life. Means socio-cultural, biological, historical, everything. Okay. Then we see the nature of anthropology. We always say that anthropology is the holistic science, anthropology is the holistic science. What do you mean by holistic? Holistic means study of man in its totality. Study of man in its totality means it studies whole context of human behavior. Then historical. We will see the branches of anthropology. There are 4 branches of anthropology that are biological, socio-cultural, archaeological, and linguistic anthropology. In that, historical anthropology is covered under archaeology. Anthropology studies archaeology and ethnohistory. Okay. Also, anthropology is comparative science. It studies similarities and differences. But similarities and differences in what? It does comparison between human beings and also different cultures of human beings. Okay, मीन्स इससे क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज होलिस्टिक साइंस, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज हिस्टोरिकल, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज कंपैरेटिव साइंस. Okay, next we will see scope of anthropology. What is the scope of anthropology? The scope of anthropology is holistic or integrated discipline. Holistic or integrated discipline means it integrates biological, archaeological and cultural dimensions. Okay, to what? To understand human past and present. Okay, also anthropology has broader scope both geographically and historically. It means anthropology studies man in past, present, and it also studies the man in future too. It means we can consider the man in future. How will it be? Okay. Then applied anthropology. What is applied anthropology? We studies the different theories of anthropology, different theories of man in its total, biologically, culturally, historically, linguistically, in all dimensions, and then we apply this knowledge to the current situations of the human being, to solve the problems of the human being, to solve the problems in the society. It is known as applied anthropology. It is also known as practicing anthropology. It is practical side of anthropology. Okay, and sometimes anthropologists participate in different cultures, different societies. Okay, इट इज़ नोन एज फील्ड वर्क मेथड. फील्ड वर्क मेथड का मतलब क्या है कि फील्ड वर्क मेथड में एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट खुद वहाँ जाकर, वहाँ रहकर, वहाँ के लोगों से उनकी भाषा सीखते हैं, उनके जो डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स है, रिलीजियस बिलीव्स है, उनको वो सीखते हैं, उसके पीछे रीज़न क्या है वो भी फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, और जो वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स है उनमें उन्हें थोड़ा सा हेल्प करने की मदद करते हैं. मतलब वो फील्ड में जाके काम कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स फील्ड वर्क मेथड. ओके, hence anthropology studies every culture of the man, be it primitive, be it modern. Okay, it means what? It appreciates and celebrates diversity. Means anthropology appreciates and celebrates diversity. Okay, let's see holistic और integrated discipline. होलिस्टिक और इंटीग्रेटेड डिसिप्लिन. इंटीग्रेट करना मतलब क्या? सब कलेक्ट करना. ओके, स्टडी ऑफ मैन इन इट्स टोटलिटी integrates biological, archaeological and cultural dimensions to understand human past and present. Holistic means whole context of human behavior. Holistic refers to an approach that studies many aspects of multifaceted systems. Okay. अब होलिस्टिक स्टडी करना मतलब इनका गोल क्या है कि सिर्फ फिजिकल, बायोलॉजिकल, सोशल, कल्चरल ये सब सेपरेटली स्टडी करना नहीं है. ये सब स्टडी करके उनमें कनेक्शंस को ढूंढना है, कनेक्ट करना है सभी. इट इज़ नोन एज इंटीग्रेटेड डिसिप्लिन. ओके, देन कंपैरेटिव स्टडी. We compares different societies, different cultures, and human population to understand similarities and differences. Okay. Then historical study. Historical study means archaeological study. We get some archaeological evidences. Okay. And through that we reconstruct the human past. Okay. So in first session we will just take these points about anthropology, introduction to anthropology. This is my very first class, and if you like my teaching, my explanations, my video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. These are some references I have taken. Anthropology book, Ember and Ember book, IGNOU Anthropology, Introduction to Anthropology Block 1, and Braintree material I have used. Okay, so thank you so much guys. If you like the video, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. ये वीडियो तो बहुत ही छोटा हो गया है, बट अभी मैं मुझ में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स करने की कोशिश करूँगी और आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ईजी वे में एंथ्रोपोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट समझाने की कोशिश करूँगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच.